night. My name is James Peñuela. Do you free for an great cake? Past simple word. Are you ever tried to Machu Picchu? Ever tried to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played on the guitar? I am to play the guitar. Over a million pictures used in the one day. I am that you ever take over me pictures used in the one day. Have you ever met on the fourth star? I have, and you ever met on fourth star? Have you ever sit at the beach? He have ever sit on the beach. Have you ever in practice skips? He have a practice skip. Have you ever ridden on the motorcycle? Yes, I have ridden on motorcycle. Have you ever drink tequila? Yes, I have ever drink tequila. Are you ever driven on car? Yes, I have driven on car. Every June, ever read Harry Potter? He have read Harry Potter. Every June, ever invest money on the street? He have found money on the street. Have you ever studied English before? Yes, he have studied English before. Have you ever run on the marathon? He have and the run marathon. Ever had tacos at home? Yes, I have had tacos at home. Every in war over in 12 hours in the year off. I have on the word when the hours years off. Every day the green wolf on the China, he have and the wine. Every one on the very fourth, he have on the fourth iPhone before. But you ever in a film with dolphin? He have a winding dolphin. Have you ever lost your wallet? Yes, I have lost wallet. Every style and sell on your laptop. He won't style and sell it on the laptop. Link para ver el video. Thanks.